Paborito ko ang lumpiang prito, kaya naman nang nabanggit ng isa nating viewers itong lumpiang gawa sa sayote, repolyo at sitaw, ay dali-dali akong pumunta sa supermarket to get the ingredients. First time ko narinig itong version na to and I was excited to try it. In a wide pan, maginit ng oil at igisa ang shallots until lumambot ng bahagya. Ilagay ang garlic at tuloy lang ang pag-saute until fragrant. Timplahan ng fish sauce for a touch of umami flavor. Usually, linawlahukan itong lumpia ng ground pork. But I decided na gawing purong gulay para mas budget-friendly at healthy. Be sure to slice the vegetables thinly para mabilis maluto. At unahin igisa ang mga mas matagal lumambot. Cook until almost tender and still slightly crisp as they will continue to cook during frying. Season with Maggi Magic Sarap for a flavor boost. Pepper and a little bit of sugar to balance the flavors. Haluin to evenly distribute and turn off the heat. Drain the vegetable mixture well using a colander to remove excess liquid and allow it to cool completely before wrapping. This prevents excess moisture and escaping steam from tearing the wrappers. Ilagay ang wrapper like a diamond on a flat surface at maglagay ng about 2 tablespoons of gulay in the center. Roll tightly para hindi pumasok ang oil pag nagpiprito. Isil ang mga edges with a bit of water or flour paste. Magpainit ng about 2 inches of oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Kung sobrang init ang oil, masusunog ang wrapper bago maging crispy. If masyadong mababa ang temperature, the lumpia will absorb a lot more grease. Ilagay ang lumpia in a single layer sa hot oil and deep fry until golden brown and crispy. Bali-balik na rin as needed for even cooking. Alisin sa pan and drain on a wire rack to remove excess oil. Ayan, luto na. Crunchy, tasty, lumpiang sayote na kahit walang sahog na karne ay napakasarap at napakasustansya. Perfect pang merienda at pwede ring pang benta. Serve with spicy vinegar and enjoy!